Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find trending keywords. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding trending keywords on Semrush or Semrush is an excellent way to identify hot topics and opportunities for content creation or SEO optimization. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the SEO or the projects that you wanted. Because from here, you just have to go to the search bar wherein you can enter domain, URL, and of course, keywords. Since I've been recording this video around December, so obviously one of the maybe contemporary or trending keyword is about gift, right? Because it's holidays. If you click on enter, what will happen is it would be forwarded to this analytics. If you encounter something like this, you don't have to worry because this is only one of the limitations if you're using the free trial for Semrush. If you wanted to access and unlock all of the potential that you can use here in Semrush, you might want to go for the pro trial, which has like 7 days. All right. But don't worry because the next thing that we're going to do, if you want to avoid this, is instead, I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click the keyword overview. All right. And from here, we need to enter keywords separated by commas. All right. At least maybe 10 for now. I'm gonna type in, for example, gift. Let's say Christmas, comma, and then maybe holidays. Right? So 3 words for now. Of course, you can put in as much as keywords until 100. Now, you can enter a domain for personalized data, but we're not gonna do that for now. You see, for the country, you can choose any of the following countries that you wanted to specifically target in finding trending keywords. You know, keywords apparently is country specific or region specific. For example, these might not apply to other countries who are not, spending holidays and Christmas. You know what I mean, right? But of course, but if you wanted, for now, I'm sticking to the country that I am in, for example, in the US. You also have an option to select location if you wanted, if you have a specific targeted niche for that. But the thing is, for local keyword metrics within the pro plan is only available, and of course, you might want to upgrade for that. But for now, we're going to be happy with this. Click on search. Okay, so now click on analyze right here. Just wait for it to load. Now, you would notice once you have put in the keywords for your specific research, these are going to be the section where you can find the trending keywords, right? So you see, these are the month that it is very trendy, or like there's a high demand for this specific word. All right. Now, if you click on it, this is the interest of searchers is an analyzed keyword over the last 12 months. Right, and the metric is based on changes in the number of searches per month. So right now we're in December, and the peak and the influx is around January, having the most peak season is around February. All right, global volume is this. For the US, it's 74, UK is 33. All right, and the keyword difficulty is this. It's hard. This keyword will demand 93. High authority referring domains and will optimize content to start ranking for it. All right. Now, these are competition per click, which is CPC. All right. So that's going to be what will cost you. Competitive density is this. If you don't know anything about the ads and whatnot, just skip it. But the thing is, since you have entered the keyword of GIF, you see, here are some keyword ideas for you. You can use the keywords like vanilla gift card, shop holiday gift sets, vanilla gift card balance, Amazon gift card, Roblox gift card. And if you click the view 4 million keywords, right, you would be forwarded to this section. There's a lot that you can choose from. The volume is this. So number one, trending keyword for this month when you use the GIF is going to be vanilla gift card. You see? CPC again is cost per click, and this week it's updated, right? Shop holiday gift set. You can also use this by the Christmas only. All right, you can eliminate all of these by numbers or by volume. So you have all these. Make sure that you are getting the trendiest keyword there is here in Semrush. All right, you can also try the enhanced AI analysis to get insights on potential traffic for your domain, which is we're not gonna do with that right now. All right, you see, for the keywords, you can filter them all keywords or broad match. You see that? It gives you different results, right? For all keywords, it's going to be like 78 million. It's a lot, right? For all keywords, it's 80. For phrase match, that's going to be 51. Exact match is around 50. And related is going to be like 4 million, right? Related. Now, for the languages, obviously, we're going to use English for now. Click on apply. You see all this? GIF, GIFs, but we're gonna be clicking all the keywords for now. You see, the trends section will show keywords with increasing search volumes, offering insight into the most relevant and emerging keywords in your industry. All right. Now, another option that you can take is to leverage Google Trends data. All right. So Semrush doesn't have a direct Google Trends integration. But of course, what I do in our case here in GPLabs is we use Google Trends alongside Semrush for complementary insights. All right. And again, from here, you can enter trending search terms into Semrush to further analyze competition and search volume. All you're going to do is click this button right here, explore. And what you normally do is cross-reference seasonal or geographic trends in Google Trends with the data that Semrush provides to find emerging keywords. All right, so these are some of the options that you can do. You could also explore two of the features right here, the competitor analysis. All right, you can find trending keywords by analyzing what your competitors are ranking for, because Semrush provides a lot of competitive intelligence that can help you identify new opportunities. All right, you can use all of this traffic analysis, organic research, and of course, the map rank tracking. You can analyze your competitors' websites in detail with the Semrush tools. Just click the Start for Free button. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.